Migrating from one course platform to another can feel like a daunting task, but I'm here to break it down for you with a simple, quick, and effective guide. Whether you're switching for better features, pricing, or support, I'll show you how to make the transition smooth and stress-free. First, the key is preparation. Before you migrate from one course platform to another, make sure you have a clear plan. List the courses, content, and assets you want to transfer. This includes videos, PDFs, quizzes, assignments, and anything else your students need access to. Don't forget about your branding, student data, and any integrations you're currently using, like payment systems or email marketing tools. Once you've got everything ready, the next step is to choose the right platform for your needs. I've tried a lot of course platforms, and based on my experience, I've found the software we'll be using in this video to be the best for a seamless migration. It's simple to set up and offers all the features you need to provide an excellent experience for your students. Now, let's talk about the actual migration process. The first thing you'll want to do is export your course content from your current platform. Most platforms will allow you to export all your courses into a file format, like a .zip file or an exportable XML file. Be sure to check the file for any missing content before you move forward. Next, you'll want to upload this content to the new platform. The software we'll be using today has an easy-to-use import feature. Simply upload your files, and the system will automatically organize the content. You might need to tweak some settings, like video embedding, file formats, or even the course structure. But don't worry, the process is generally straightforward. While you're migrating, don't forget to set up your payment system and student access. With most platforms, you can integrate payment processors like Stripe or PayPal, but check to see if the platform supports the systems you're currently using. It's essential to ensure students will be able to access the courses and pay for them without any issues. Once your content is uploaded and payment systems are set, test everything. Go through your course modules as if you were a student to make sure the content is accessible, the payment system works, and the user experience is smooth. This will save you from surprises later. As a bonus, if you're following along and haven't already chosen a new platform, check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below for the software we're using. It's a game changer when it comes to course migrations, and it's available only to viewers of my channel. Key takeaway: migrating from one course platform to another doesn't have to be complicated. With a solid plan, the right tools, and a bit of patience, you'll have everything moved over in no time. Remember to export your content, upload it to the new platform, set up payment systems, and test everything before going live. Quick recap: choose your platform, export your courses, upload to the new platform, set up payments, and test everything. Don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial linked below. Thanks for watching.